So what's good, guys? I don't know. Let me just increase my brightness. Um, okay, yeah, we have the accounts. As you can see there, the live accounts. We have about ish. We have about 30 USD there. Yeah, 30 USD, just like I said earlier. And so currently now, I'm looking at something on the charts. I have a setup already. But I've not entered yet. So let's go to the charts. Um, so yeah, so here on my charts, this is quite hard for me to record and explain this thing. I'm looking forward to buy. Focus. Yeah, I'm looking forward to buy. I'm looking forward to buy good. This is XAUUSD. Good. I'm on the 5 minutes time frame. Looking forward to buy. If hang on, I'm looking forward to buy. If a full body candle takes out this level, then I'll be entering for a buy. But if that doesn't happen, I'll be looking forward to sell to this level. If a neckline forms at this level and a full body candle takes out the neckline, then I'll be going for a sell. But I'm more of the buy, bias, because if you check from the higher time frame, if you check the 4 hours time frame, we have that price has been bullish on gold. Yeah, you see, price has been bullish on gold, and currently is on a trend line. Has been bullish on gold and is on this trend line currently. So the chances of, like, there are more buyers in the market, so that's why I want to buy. There are more buyers in the market currently. So what did I see that makes me want to buy? On the 5 minutes time frame, I have about how many confluences? I have a trend line, I have F and R zone, and I also have trend line, F and R zone. I also have my psychological level. I have my psychological level at this point. I have my psych level at 2730.00. So those are the confluences I have. So let's see how it goes. If it plays out, if I'm about to enter the market, I'll let you guys know. So yeah.
A few moments later.
So I just entered the trade now and it's not looking so good, but we are currently in on a buy. So on my chart currently, okay, on my chart currently, yeah, we are in on a buy on good, and our stop loss is 30 pips. Then I'm targeting, the risk reward ratio is about 1:2.4, so I'm targeting about close to 70 pips, something like that, close to 70 pips. So yeah, this is it. I don't know, can you guys see it? So it's still reacting, and our stop loss is close by, I don't know, we might get stopped out, but the thing is I don't know, I just focused on my rules. So I just break out of this neckline, then the candle that took out the neckline, this was my entry, and then my stop loss is around here. It might reach. Okay, you feel it once. There's no feeling in trading. it might not shine. Anyhow it goes, I'm okay with it. And yeah, the risk is well calculated, so just risking 3 USD. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'll update you guys. Let's see how it goes. Then do it they do before. he was blowing his phone for the candles to move up. Jesus, this is almost at top loss, guy.
And you see, I just observe.
Hey, our first trade.
This is the hour.
Our first trade. Almost at SL. Anyhow, sha. Our first trade. I don't know. Our first trade. Let's see how it goes, sha.
A few moments later.
So guys, we just hit SL. So yeah, we just hit SL. Let me show you. So the first trade hits SL. The account is down to 27.27 USD. and we lost $3 right there. Risk well calculated. So and just look at thing. Just take a look, guys. I know it's spread across that thing. It's part of it, but but I got kicked out like because of this spread. The spread was part of it, but it just got to this level. Then yeah, so that was just what happened, and um, let's see how it goes. Then at the end of the day, I'll just do post analysis and just explain everything. How what I feel made me to hit my stop loss. So that's just it. So let me record. I have my trading journal with me here. I have my journal with me here, and so the first trade now is a loss. It's not a good start actually, and I lost 10% minus 10%, and the balance now is 27 USD. 27 USD. That I know there's a cent added to it, like 27.27, but let that one just be there. So I don't count that one, 27 USD. So that's just it. Then I'll just go and journal the trade. I'll journal the trade at the end of the day. At the end of the day, I'll just journal the trade. So day one is completed now. So we have to just go over to day two, which might be tomorrow. If I see set up tomorrow, then I'll go for tomorrow, which is day two. So they are not happy. they are not happy about the meeting. But they are not hungry, they are not happy. They are just there, like just there. Yeah, let's go for the post analysis. After today's trade, what made us hit stop loss, or what mistake did we make in today's trade? So as you guys can see, I got stopped out. Price went like in my favor, and this was even, although I was planning to take my profit here at this level, but which was, as you can see, which was 1:2.45, but eventually, like I had plans for this level. I had plans actually for this level initially. If you see, I had plans for this level, but I just wanted to keep it on a low. You feel me? Since it's the first trade, I just wanted to keep it on a low. Let's don't do too much. Just 1:2. If you feel me, so that was it. So why did I enter this trade? Like I explained earlier, I have my trend line. I have this zone from here. I have this cycle level from here, which is 2,730. I have that cycle level. Then the last confirmation I was waiting for was for this neckline to be taken out, because if you look at the market structure here, price created a low, a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then a lower low. So coming back to take this lower high here, yeah, the full body candle that takes it out. Let me just remove this stuff. Yeah, so you can see the full body candle that takes out this particular high. According to the strategy, I enter after this this level is taken out with the full body candle, then I enter on the next candle. This was the next candle, and the next candle turned out to be bearish, so I entered on the next candle, which made the entry not to be that nice, that perfect. So when I entered, I was on a bit of drawdown. Then just like you saw at the beginning of the video, I was on a drawdown. Then eventually price ranged and rallied at this level, then finally taking me out with a spike. Then before finally going in my favor, and eventually, assuming we weren't spiked out, would have hit TP. So this was just the trade. This was just happened. So at the end of the day, now what can I say regarding? What can I say regarding this trade now? What can I say? Like, what's the whole thing? Why did I lose this trade? What I can say, first of all, what I can say is today is just one of those. Today is just one of those bad days where market condition, like where good gives a very rough market condition, such that there are so many spikes around. Because on a normal, as I entered here, price was just meant to, if price was retesting any level, price was just meant to retest this level that I took out. But from what I can see again, and from what I can observe again, price created a high here, created a low here, then created a lower high here, then created a lower low. So from what I can see now, price eventually came to take out this lower high. So from what I can see here now, I think this zone became invalid somehow in a way, because as price took out this high here, as price took it out, price came back to retest it with this doji candlestick, with this hammer or pin bar, whatever you call it. Price came back to retest this zone, then finally going back up again, then still coming back again. It still came to still tap on this zone. If you check closely, if you look closely, let's just remove this our guy. If you look closely, price still came back to tap on that zone again, this zone. Still came back to tap on it again, like first touch, second touch, third touch, then the fourth time. And along that side, coming back to tap that level, there's cycle level there. I don't know if you guys can see the cycle level that I have on my chart. Let me increase the opacity. As you can see, I believe you can see the cycle level now. So it's still coming back, and there's a cycle level there. So I feel the cycle level is part of that. It's part of what is making price just coming to trigger on this level. So before price finally went up. So I feel having this lower high before this guy here, I feel is making this guy kind of irrelevant in a way. I don't know, that's what I just feel. But in case of next time, what am I going to do now if something like this should happen? So what I've learned from this trade now is that if something like this should happen, okay, I'm expecting to buy. When price should take out this particular high. But if price form a new neckline before this was the original neckline, but if price should form a new neckline, I'll be watching out for the new neckline. And if price should take out that new neckline, I'll be mounting my entry, then still risking what I plan to risk on that day. So this instead of me paying attention to this original neckline, I will pay attention to this particular one. Then I'll just do my thing, because initially, if assuming I paid attention to this new neckline that was formed here, assuming I paid attention to it, I would have entered on this candle, because okay, this candle took it out. This pattern here is tweezer bottom. That we can call it tweezer bottom. This candle took it out. Then entering here, then my stop loss around here, that would have been like 26 pips. Then my target still on this level. So this was what I would have done. Like if something like this should happen again, this is what I would do. Since that already happened, I've made the mistake already. I've learned my lessons. If something like this should happen again, this is what I'll just do. So I've noted this now. Like this is a lesson, a new lesson. Like I've learned this now. So that's just what I have regarding the post analysis. Yeah, so that's what I just have regarding post analysis. So the first day was a loss. So, and that's just it, Sha. That's just it. We have 9 chances to go. So yeah, this is just it. So let's just take a look at the higher time frames. Let's check the daily time frame. What the daily time frame said. What happened to it? I know normally the daily time frame will be bullish. On the normal, yeah, it's gonna be bullish. Because today's it's not even bullish. Wow. You see, from the daily time, from this candlestick now, and if you can look at this chart now, if you look closely now, gold is still bullish. In the sense that this candlestick, this particular candle opened, like this is the close of this candle. That means this candle that was on Friday. Friday candle opened. Yeah, that was on Friday. Friday candle opened and surged to the downside, but eventually buyers took it up, creating a wick to the downside. This is a hammer. If this candlestick should close like this, if today's one should close like this, is another hammer, like pin bar. Yeah, this is another pin bar. So what I can see now is that gold is clearly bullish. Yeah, gold is clearly bullish. Thursday was bullish. Friday was bullish. Today that is Monday, still bullish anyway, even though the candle is bearish. Price first went down, but eventually buyers took price up, judging from the candlestick reaction. So I'm still expecting more push to the upside. Hopefully I'll be able to see a good setup tomorrow and catch a buy to the upside. Yeah, that's just it. And eventually price came to this level. You see, price came to this level. So from here now, trend line is still very, very valid. On the normal, what I'm even expecting, like I'm still expecting another leg to the upside. Because of this bounce on this trend, I'm expecting like another push to the upside. I'm expecting before the end of this week, I don't know if it's going to happen, but what I'm just anticipating, before the end of this week, I'm expecting gold to take out this recent all-time high. Yeah, I'm expecting gold to take out this recent all-time high. So gold is currently crazy. Like the price is currently going up recently. So that's just it. Then let me see what the 1 hour is saying before I can call it a day. From the 1 hour time frame, okay, you see reaction. You see, we have we have a what's it called? We have a first leg to the upside, then we're having some kind of reaction here in form of a range. Yeah, in form of a range around this level. So I'm just expecting a spike to the upside, honestly, guys. But anything can still happen. But me, even though I'm expecting a spike, if I see that, or if I see confirmation for yourself, I'll just go in for yourself. Anything can happen. So that's just it regarding to this trade. That's it regarding to this trade. 30 minutes, similar thing. Then 15 minutes, similar thing as well. So that's just it regarding to this trade, anyways. I want to still check something. Assuming I entered from the 15 minutes. Assuming I entered from the 15 minutes, I would have had my entry around here. Same place around here. Then my stop loss would have been wider, I guess. Because this is the candlestick. Okay, this is the candlestick that took out the neckline. My stop loss would have been around here. My stop loss would have been around here. It would have still stopped me out anyways. Like I would have been stopped out too. So it's still the same thing. I would have been stopped out. So anyhow. So that's just it. You see it's ranging, which is this range that is a sign that something is gonna happen. Is that to the upside? Most likely to the upside. Anyways, we hope we can carry that move tomorrow. I just hope I can carry that move tomorrow. I'll try as much as possible to be very careful and all of that.
So guys, I have my trading journal here with me that I used to journal the trade, and so the thing now is after the whole trade and everything, after the whole post analysis and everything, I don't see it as anything. I see it as part of the process because we still have 9 chances to go. You feel me? So remember, it's 10 trade rule that I'm using. Yeah, 10 trade rule, which states that, or it theoretically means that as a good trader, you shouldn't take 10 losses in a row. So yeah, as a good trader, you shouldn't take 10 losses in a row. So that's the rule I'm using. So I feel since I've gotten this skill set, after taking 10 trades, I shouldn't end up in losses for the whole 10 trades. So I've used one of my chances today. I used one of the chances, so remaining 9 chances to go. So I just want you guys to see what I have here. And another thing also that I'm happy for is, I obeyed my rules and everything. Entry confluence, the entry confluences that were present. We have the cycle level, the F and R zones, the trend lines, and the neckline break. Then for the exit, it was stop loss that took me out of the trade. Then the risk management, I risked just 10% of the accounts per day, which is $3. Then for the trade, the number of trades, I only took 1 trade today. So I just want you guys to take a look at the stuff here. I just have it here written down on my book. So I'll just try as much as possible to be disciplined. You can pause the video and just check. Yeah, I'll just try as much as possible to be disciplined. Then the risk to reward normally is 1:2 point something. That trade was just 1:2 point something. So that's just it. I'll just keep it as simple as possible. I'll try to just be disciplined in the best way I can. Journal everything. I'll take you guys along the process. Yeah, and as you can see, after today, day one, you see day one ended the loss. We have minus 10%. The account balance sits at 27 USD. So tomorrow, if I see another setup and opportunity, I go for day 2. I'll record everything for the whole 10 trades. So let's see how it goes. Just anything can happen, and I don't want to have too much expectation. I'll try as much as possible to bring my expectation low, so that I won't be disappointed. And my friends too, my guys, yeah, we'll just do it together. That's just it. So I will catch you guys in the next video, and yeah, that's just it. Peace out.